In this video, we will look at how to approve a holiday request. So we are logged in as a user who approves holiday. To approve holidays, you can either come to the menu, click on holidays and go to the approve menu. There's also some notifications up here. Under the items awaiting your approval, you can select on the holiday request that requires your attention. And finally, you will have received a notification depending on the configuration of your system, and you can click on that link as well. All three take you to the same screen. So from here we can see our holiday request. There's some headline information. This is our header information. So we can see that this user has requested holiday from the 18th of October to the 20th of October. From this screen you can also see any conflicts through the user conflict icon here. This particular holiday also overlaps with another holiday, and we can tell that because of this extension flag here. So if a user has already submitted a holiday request for a set date and another holiday request falls on the day after that, then that extension will flag up. To see more information about the holiday, we can simply click the icon on the left hand side, and in here we've got the information about that user's holiday. We've also got more information about the conflict, and if you were to click on the conflicts icon, you can see a little bit of a calendar view to see where the conflict falls, to see if you're happy to approve or not. Also, by hovering over the icon, you have a little bit of extra information there as well. Once you are happy, you can simply approve the request. And that's it. That's your holiday approved. And when you come back to your home screen, you can see your notification has dismissed and there are no holidays waiting for your approval.